leave them in there all winter. I take them out, I put them inside where they're warm and
yeah, right.
so yeah, ready?
I think so.
All right.
I don't know if I need my glasses or not.
I got them off, but fuck. It is a little glary. On the runway.
You're doing the same thing.
Hey?
You're doing that little blip thing.
Fuck, you get into the wind and you just go whoop.
Yeah, it changes completely.
Shoots you right
I
up
thought I had
there.
an engine problem.
No, it shoots you right up there as soon as you turn into the wind. It's got a weird up draft or uplift or.
And the engine does a blurby thing.
Yep. Or something there right in front of you.
Yeah.
You were chasing him. I don't know.
No, I was on the fence whether to put them on or not.
Come on, girl, get the fuck in there. You fuck, I'm trying to squeeze it past my hat for fuck's sakes. Oh, now I gotta readjust my eyeballs. I'm way up above you there. Well, at least now it's a full black dot. And you come in low. Well, not really low. Tree height low. Oh, it is a little better with the glasses, I think. Of course, the plane is like a black dot.
It is.
You gotta go on.
Yeah.
You're recording?
Yes.
I didn't even realize that. I didn't say something.
Oh, my glasses are dark, but that's okay.
Yeah, it takes a bit to adjust, but it is better. Because I was having even though it's not sunny, it was a weird glare. Trying to stay below you there.
Yeah.
You're keeping up though. Well, I'm wide open.
Yeah, I'm almost there. It seems to be a little blurby, but
Yeah.
it's fine now.
You might be hearing the reverb kind of off of mine too, eh?
Yeah.
Because I know mine has a weird reverb off of the prop sometimes. I'm upside down anyways. I'm dropping in.
Yeah.
Woo. We won't really drop in that
I think I cut the angle.
low. Hey?
I think I cut the angle a little short.
Yeah, I just went wide. Went wide like I normally do. I guarantee we're probably way too far out. Because I'm just going by visual, you know what I mean? But
Yeah.
I'm not following the tree line, so we're probably just a hair over the road or... You know what I mean?
Yes.
The road over there.
Yep.
We're probably out of the box a little bit, going up that back street. Hard to gauge, you know?
Yeah, it is.
I'm not looking down, I'm looking directly at the plane. You don't want to take your eyes off of it, so. I'm doing a slow dropping in. Touch and go in the wrong direction. No, too high. Too high.
I think it needs a little adjustment.
What's that?
I think she needs a little adjustment.
Doing a touch and go from this side here.
Yeah, you're better off that way. I'm coming your way too.
Hey?
I'm doing the same.
I'm coming down the opposite back way there.
Yes.
Kind of heard where you were there, so. Actually, we should actually change the rotation on one of the flights.
I'm gonna bring it for a landing.
Yep.
Let's see what's going on with it.
Yep, I'll follow you in anyway, because we're probably, 116 left, so. Even though this thing doesn't.
I'm a little hot. I shut it off.
Yep.
I shut
Oh yeah, you're there. I'll just stay on the
Yeah.
grass.
yeah, because I just shut it off now because it just chews a prop up on the grass.